What's up, guys? And here we are with my friend right here. Kita ka? Kita ka ba? Oo. Nandito kami sa Riverbanks, nasa ilog kami. Nagbabike lang, chill-chill lang bago magpasokan. 2 weeks na lang sa akin, sa kanya, August pa. Guys, bigla na uminit dito. Ang init na. Yes. Naghihirap po kami dito. Day 60. I miss my family. A month has passed. Philippines.
2 months.
Yes, 2 months. Philippines has its own Statue of Liberty. It's white. It's albino.
It's white, that's it.
It's not racist.
It is.
Yes, it is.
Ano mo yung handle mo?
There. There we go. So we are parking our bikes. We're in Riverbanks. Bye-bye right here. Hirap na hirap kami. Siksik na siksik.